What better place to unbox and test a waterproof speaker but here at the beach? I would like to thank TRIBIT for sending me the MaxSound Plus for me to give an honest review and test on this new waterproof speaker. So let's see what's in the box. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sheltech. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. So let's take a look at the under $60 TRIBIT MaxSound Plus Bluetooth waterproof portable speaker. Wow, that's a mouthful. Inside the package, we got an 18th-month limited warranty card and a multilingual user manual. The MaxSound Plus comes with a 20-hour battery life, which takes about 4 hours to fully charge. This waterproof speaker has a metal grille, black non-slip coating, and comes in two colors, black or blue. On top of the speaker, you have a power button, a Bluetooth button, a multifunction button, which you use to play, pause, skip tracks, answer calls, reject calls, volume controls, and an extra bass button. It has a 100-foot range Bluetooth 4.2 connection, 24-watt drivers with 45mm passive radios, and is IPX7 waterproof, which I'm going to test out here at the beach. At the back of the speaker, you have an auxiliary port, a charging port, and you have a lanyard loop. Included with the TRIBIT MaxSound Plus is an auxiliary cable and a micro USB charging cable. Connecting and playing music with the MaxSound Plus is very easy. With one touch of a button and your phone in pairing mode, you could be jamming in seconds. So let's listen to some music samples and test some of the functions of the TRIBIT MaxSound Plus. The MaxSound Plus speaker definitely has a room filling and a great outdoor sound. The bass gives you a nice punch for such a small speaker, but when you hit that XBass button, the bass really pops. With clear and precise mids and highs, the combination can get any party started, even in loud environments such as the beach. For my beach test, I put the MaxSound Plus onto the sand and into the water to see how it would do. The MaxSound continued to play even when a wave accidentally submerged the speaker. The only small problem I had with the MaxSound Plus was sand getting trapped in the grill, but after using a good brush when I got home, I was able to clean the grill of all sand. The MaxSound Plus is a very versatile speaker for indoors or outdoors. Whether submerged underwater by accident or on purpose, the TRIBIT MaxSound Plus speaker is an awesome choice for an all-purpose portable speaker. So that was my look at the TRIBIT MaxSound Plus waterproof portable speaker. I'll leave an Amazon link to the speaker down in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below with any questions about the TRIBIT MaxSound Plus waterproof portable speaker. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.